getting down and also getting higher. The hardest time was had by all. The coolest dude was me, nonchalantly laying back to see what I could see. I saw her, a dancing honeybee, Maria Luisa. Wow, catch your breath. Maria Luisa, tease you half to death. Swinging hips and laughing lips, check out every man. He's got 30 seconds, catch me if you can. Is this sexy or short attention span? Hey, she's floating my way, holding out her hand. Closer and closer, it's more than I can stand. Forget your 30 seconds, can I slow her down? Next thing we're dancing like there's no one else around. Her and me slow dancing horizontally. Maria Luisa, what can I say? Maria Luisa blew me away. 6 ways from Sunday, around the world and back again, ways I never heard of. And then I couldn't count them all, 11 out of 10. Sunlight burned my eyes, sticky sheets and bacon grease, swarming of the flies. Where's Maria? I can't see her. Was she only in my head? I just can't remember a single word she said. Bloody Mary, save me, crawl back to bed. Maria Luisa, what do I know? Maria Luisa, come and go. The parking lot was empty as she made her getaway. I didn't know or even care to find the time of day. Maria Luisa, don't look back, you're on your way. Maria Luisa, don't look back, you're on your way. Mahalo, thanks guys. One from the new album, that's Maria Luisa. Thanks very much.